Okay, now we are going to design regulated power supply. So this is the circuit diagram of the regulated power supply, and this is transformer, step down transformer, input power source, AC 220 volts AC power supply. Next, so step down voltage we are given to the bridge rectifier. So this is the bridge rectifier and input terminal, and here we are getting output voltage. Here positive generator supply voltage, and this is the negative supply, right? So after that we have here pulsating DC, this one. So this pulsating DC we are going to convert here pure DC like this. So these are the two filters, right? Capacitors. So after that 7805 regulator, which gives constant 5 volts power supply, which is pure DC. Now one more filter here. So this is used for the ideal DC voltage, like this straight line. After that we can connect potentiometer or load. So this is the LED, right? This is the LED, and current limiting resistor 220 ohms resistor. So now we are going to practical one. So components, we need breadboard and transformer. So this is the transformer, 12012 center tap transformer, one power cable. Okay, next capacitors, next for rectifier we are using diodes. These are the diodes, and in diodes, so this is the anode, and ring one is, we can observe one ring here, silver curling. This is the cathode. Next 7805 regulator. So this is the 7805 regulators and some patch cards to connect the components. So these are the patch cards. Next breadboard and arrange bridge rectifier. So this is the bridge rectifier configuration. So we can observe here diode 1, diode 2, diode 3, diode 4, anode, cathode, anode, cathode. Next anode, cathode, anode, cathode. Same thing here, anode, cathode, anode, cathode, and anode, cathode, anode, cathode. So next for input section, from transformer we are giving input. So this is the input power supply from the transistor, and we have power cable. So this one for AC 220 volts. So next output for the bridge rectifier. So here positive voltage will be generated, developed, and here negative voltage will be generated. Same like circuit diagram, positive voltage and negative voltage. So after that we can connect capacitors and 7805. So here two capacitors connected here. For two capacitors, anode is connected to the positive developed supply. So these are the two terminals connected to the positive symbol, right? Two terminals connected to the negative developed voltage here. Same thing here. So this is our negative developed voltage. Here we are getting negative power supply, and this one is positive. So this is the anode, positive terminal, and this one is positive terminal of the capacitor. Both are negative terminals. After that we have 7805 regulator. Okay, this is the 7805 regulator, and this is input terminal. First one, middle one is ground, and last one is output terminal. So I connected the first terminal to the positive voltage. This is this one, and I am going to connect ground to the negative voltage. So this is the negative terminal. So this is the negative terminal. Both are same. So this is the negative. So ground terminal. So after that, here at third terminal we are going to get 5 volts. So we are going to check the 5 volts whether we are getting or not. So next, this is the multimeter, and here we have DC mode. In DC mode we tuned it for the 20 volts DC power supply. Next, so middle one is ground, okay. So this is the ground, middle one, and I am checking the voltage. So 5 volts we are getting. So third terminal we are getting the 5 volts DC power supply, right? So this is the regulated power supply design. Next, we are going to connect the load. So this is our load LED through the resistor, 220 ohms resistor, this one. So finally we are getting AC voltage to the pulsating DC, from pulsating DC to pure DC to constant voltage, after that DC load. So this is the final RPS. So if we remove AC power supply, so we can observe the in output. So LED turned off. Next, turn on. Okay.